Welcome to our daily light, low impact movement session today. Please grab a chair. We're gonna do chair exercises if you want. I'm gonna show both versions. You can stand for the entire session or you can sit. It's entirely up to you. Like always, choose your own adventure. Let's have some fun. Let's move our bodies. Hopefully you have your chair. Just a very quick, gentle toe tap to get warmed up. So maybe keep going, keep moving. I'm gonna transition, you just keep moving the entire time. So if we're seated, toe tap just looks like this. Modify as always. But sometimes we're just not feeling like standing. Sitting in a chair, we can accomplish so much. As long as we're moving our bodies, that's what's most important. Keep moving. And this exercise is just so great for building strength and mobility, balance, coordination. It's amazing. We don't have to reinvent the wheel here. We just have to find ways to move dynamically so that we can stay healthy and young. And now, bring a little bit of a twist into your toe tap. Keep going. Let's get the heart rate up. Start to really build that inner energy. And as you can see, we can move when we're seated. Breathe through every exercise. Move at your own pace. There's lots here that you can pick up the pace if you really want to build some cardiovascular endurance. Real functional fitness exercises. Okay, now let's just give our knee a nice little tap. If you're standing, by all means, move around your space. Wake up those hips. Start to build that leg strength. It's going to carry us through the entirety of our day. Keep going. And obviously, simple, not necessarily easy today. Who knows where you're at? Let's give ourselves some grace. You are perfect. You're here. You've shown up. That's what matters. No matter how you're moving, the fact that you are moving and not watching some other rubbish that's on TV or on the internet. If nothing else, we'll come here and boost our mood and energy for the day. Okay, brilliant. Now, let's really wake up our arms. We're just gonna bring the arms up, but gently. Tap the toe behind you. Head up high. Breathe into the movement. Brilliant. Keep going. And we can do this here too. Yeah. Just look straight ahead. Bring all your presence, all your awareness, here and now. How about a little bit of gratitude? I get to move today. Look at that. My arms lift up over my head. Hallelujah. One more to each side. Excellent. Now, hopefully everybody has a chair. Sit to stand. One of the greatest exercises we can do. It's about readiness. This is why we come to move every day. So we're ready for the day. Sit, stand, and maybe keep going. Maybe you're just not there right now. And maybe it's literally just bring your backside up off the chair, even a few millimeters. It's the consistency. Keep doing this day in, day out. And it's gonna lead to a full sit to stand. We're all progressing at different times, different stages. It's all where it's supposed to be. Just keep showing up for yourself. This is so great for ankle, knee, hip mobility. core strength, balance. Whew. You can go really fast. It's great for cardiovascular endurance as well. Yeah. 2 more. Nicely done. Now, elbow to knee. You can remain seated if you like. Building that great core stability here. It's going to help us with our balance. Going to help to preserve our back health as well. We have a nice strong core. But maybe you'd enjoy this movement standing. Maybe you're really feeling it. You want to get up on the balls of your feet, do a little dance, make a little noise. Get loud tonight. Get loud tonight. I feel like I'm one of those 80s fitness. How did that go? Like Jane Fonda. Yeah, that's it. Awesome stuff. So, and this could be just like this too. Just as good. Just as good. And you could be seated as well. Okay, one more here and there. Excellent. Arms are coming up now. We're gonna come up onto the balls of our feet. Kind of flow through this movement. Just be playful. Maybe I just need to take a seat for this one. Come up off your heels. Raise your arms up. You can look to the sky as well. Build that mobility in your neck. We can stay young if we stay strong. We just gotta move every day. Find the movements that work best for you. The ones that get you excited, fired up, and just keep doing those. There's no perfect exercise, no perfect workout. The one that you'll do, the one that you are doing, that's the best one. Okay, let's go with a little bit of pace now. We're gonna do our toe tap. And again, by all means, sit down for it. But let's just pick up the pace just a little bit. Hopefully our energy is elevated. We're feeling good. Maybe there's a little playful skip in your step. Keep going. Keep moving. Ooh, there. So this, swing your arms too. Get the full body going. Sit up tall. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't forget to smile. Come on. We get to move our bodies. That's something to be pretty grateful for. Okay. Ooh. Now, just like we started, twist into it now and see how you're feeling. It's the back feel a little bit more mobile. You feel a little stronger? See, it doesn't take a lot. Even 10 minutes or so can do absolute wonders for us. I know I feel a million times better than before we started. Oh, I love it. Thank you for being here. Thank you for showing up and allowing me to do this. It's truly wonderful. Okay. Oh, so good, so good. Let's finish off nice and easy. If you're standing, widen your stance a bit. And let's just shift our body weight. I want to continue to reinforce just how wonderful this movement is. You can come up onto your heel, building balance, core stability, getting coordination here, as well as obviously strength and mobility. Keep moving there. And if you're seated, just widen your stance and just shift from side to side. Come up off your heel. Wherever you're at, it's great. But let's also now just take 30 seconds or so. Pick a spot and just witness. Just be. Watch that monkey mind. It wants us to carry us off into thought and distraction. Nope. I bring my attention right back to that spot. I'm going with that beautiful pillar right there. Just notice and come back. Maybe bring a smile to your face as we take this moment to really connect. Wow, well done. Thank you so much. Unfortunately, the only thing I could think about is like, well, if somebody's seated, they're gonna have to turn their neck and look at that. I'm like, oh wait, they're not seated there. Thank you so much for being here. Go enjoy your day. Move with strength and ease and have a real sense of accomplishment for the fact that you show up for yourself every single day. It's amazing, and so are you. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.